Hey everyone, welcome back to JZ Supercars. Today we're diving into one of the most extreme Mustangs on the road, the Steeda Q850 Street Fighter. If you're a Mustang fan, this beast is something you don't want to miss. Let's check out what makes it a true street warrior. Performance and power. At the heart of the Q850 is a Whipple-supercharged 5.0-liter V8, pushing an insane 825 horsepower. Thanks to Steeda's precision tuning, this Mustang delivers blistering acceleration and a roaring exhaust note that commands attention. The custom cold air intake, high-flow injectors, and performance headers ensure maximum power delivery at every rev track tune. Suspension power is nothing without control, and Steeda knows that well. The adjustable coilovers, beefed-up sway bars, and chassis bracing make this Mustang a corner-carving machine. Whether you're on the street or the track, the Q850 stays planted, offering razor-sharp handling with minimal body roll. Aggressive design, the Q850 isn't just about power, it looks the part too. With its carbon fiber aero upgrades, custom front splitter, rear spoiler, and signature Steeda badging, this Mustang screams performance. The widened stance and lightweight wheels wrapped in high-performance tires complete the aggressive Street Fighter look. Final thoughts. The Steeda Q850. Street Fighter is more than just a Mustang. It's a statement of speed, power, and precision engineering. Whether you're a hardcore racer or a street driving enthusiast, this car delivers an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to JZ Supercars, and let me know in the comments. Would you drive the Q850? See you in the next one.